Welcome back to Module 1.2, Why Consignment? In this module, we're going to explore the pros and cons of the consignment business model. I'm going to break down why consignment might be an attractive option for anyone interested in commerce or reselling. I'm going to highlight the advantages and the potential challenges of leveraging this model. What is the big opportunity? According to runrepeat.com, the sneaker resale revenue has steadily been growing up. We can see that from 2019 to 2023, it has increased by billions of dollars every year. So what does this mean? It means that the sneaker market is bigger than ever. More buyers are flooding the market looking for exclusive kicks, and we want to take advantage of that. But we don't want to be selling every pair one by one. That's outdated, bro. Instead, we're going to be leveraging the consignment business model to scale our business without lifting a finger. All right, so let's get into some pros of this business model. The first pro that I'm going to talk about is time freedom. With the consignment method, you don't need to spend hours fulfilling orders, answering customers, or managing a store. The consignment store takes care of everything, giving you more time to focus on other things in life. The second advantage I want to talk about is place freedom. You can run your consignment business from anywhere without the need of a physical storefront or dealing with geographic constraints. All you need is access to the internet. Number 3 on the list is no fulfillment worries. The consignment store takes care of packing, shipping, and returns, meaning you don't have to worry about chargebacks, logistics, or dealing with customers. Number 4 on the list is no inventory management. All aspects of inventory are handled with the consignment method. You don't have to worry about storage space or renting out a warehouse. Next on the list is selling to premium buyers. By partnering up with a consignment store, you are able to leverage their customer base. You instantly gain access to premium buyers who are willing to pay top dollar for your products. Number 6 on the list is scalable business model. With the pros that I've mentioned earlier, you can scale your consignment business efficiently. You don't have to worry about logistics or overhead costs. Number 7 on the list is exposure and marketing. Consignment stores already have established customer base, and they spend money on marketing, so you don't have to. And last on the list is low startup cost. You can start consigning with $0. You can consign something you already have. You can consign as few as one product, or you can consign 100 products. If you have a credit card, you can put everything on credit. You have a month to sell the products that you purchase before having to pay off your credit card. With the right technique, that can be accomplished without having to spend a single dollar from your own pocket. Now let's go over some cons with the consignment business model, specifically with stadium goods. The first on the list is no ability to raise prices. On stadium goods, you are not allowed to raise your prices after the initial listing. That means you can't capitalize on price surges or adjust for market changes. You can only lower the prices to help move inventory. Number 2 is competition with other consigners. You are not the only one consigning products. Your sneakers will be competing with similar items from other consigners. So make sure you're consigning high quality items so you stand out. Number 3 is undercutters. Other sellers might undercut your pricing to get their products to sell faster. This means you might have to lower your prices to remain competitive or risk not making the sale at all. Number 4 on the list is rejection of products. Some of your products may be rejected due to a variety of reasons. The most common reason is quality control. Although you can return the products for your money back, you essentially lose on the time invested in obtaining the product. Number 5 on the list is shipping fees add up, if applicable. If you're someone who needs to ship your sneakers to the consignment store, shipping costs can quickly add up. And lastly, are aged inventory fees. On stadium goods, if your sneakers sit too long in the consignment stores without selling, they will begin to charge you a fee after 180 days. This fee ranges from 50 cents to $1 every month. It might seem like a small fee, however, is charged on every product that exceeds 180 days. This can quickly add up. Is consignment right for you? Look, consignment isn't for everyone, but if you resonate with one of these points, then you might be the perfect fit. You're interested in selling sneakers, but you don't want to deal with customers. You're interested in passive income, earning money without lifting a finger. Or you're tired of holding on to inventory and you want someone else to handle it for you. Or if you're into commerce, but you're tired of spending time listing and selling. Or you want access to premium buyers who are willing to pay top dollar. And finally, you like the idea of leveraging a proven system instead of doing everything yourself. If any of these points sound like you, then consignment might be the smartest business move you ever make. Thank you for tuning in to Module 1.2 of the Consignment Masterclass. In the next module, we're going to go over exactly step by step how to create your accounts. I'm going to walk you through the foundations and give you the perfect setup to get started. Remember, the key to success is getting started and staying consistent. I hope you got a better understanding of the pros and cons of reselling through a consignment business model, and really ask yourself if this is the move for you. If you are interested in pursuing this business model, leave a comment in the description below letting me know what do you think. Like the video and press the subscribe button. My name is Terry, and it's been an absolute pleasure, boys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.